I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota Yaris with a key. First, find the physical key that is often tucked away inside your remote control fob. Once you have the key, insert it into the keyhole on the driver's side door. Give the key a firm turn clockwise to engage the locking mechanism and unlock the door. This method is perfect when your remote isn't working. To manually unlock your Yaris, make sure the key is pushed all the way into the lock cylinder. Then, rotate the key about 90 degrees in a clockwise direction. You should feel a slight click as the lock disengages. After turning the key, simply pull the exterior door handle. The driver's door should now open smoothly, allowing you access to your vehicle. After gaining entry through the driver's door, you will want to unlock the remaining doors for your passengers or cargo. Look for the central door lock button, usually located on the driver's side door panel or the center console. Press this button once, and all other doors will unlock. If that doesn't work, you can manually unlock each passenger door from the inside. If you encounter difficulty, first try wiggling the key gently as you turn it. Sometimes the tumblers just need a little persuasion. Also, take a moment to inspect the keyhole for any visible debris or obstructions that might be preventing the key from fully inserting or turning. If the lock feels sticky, a small amount of graphite lubricant can often resolve the issue, making it much smoother.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.